Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I use my Whirlpool dishwasher to clean my dishes. So this is my Whirlpool here. Whirlpool dishwasher, and I load some dishes in there. So I'll show it to you guys. I load the glass in here, the mugs and the bowls on top. Then the bottom here is there's a spoon here, holder where you put all your stuff, and the big plates in here, and I have some sink that I'm going to add more. There's more space here, so I have to add more in there. This is it, guys. I do it before I go to bed, so tomorrow it's clean. I push that there, I push that back in there, and I'll show you how I put the soap and the rinse aid. So this is it, guys, where I put my soap for washing. You can use liquid dishwasher soap, but you can also use the dishwasher pack. It's tablet, guys, like this. So you just put that in there, and the other one over here is for the rinse aid. So you put some in there, so it helps with clean dishes. Put that in there, and I close that lid. And after that, we close this and start this thing. So I'll show it to you guys, okay? How I use my dishwasher. And if you can see there's the control panel in there. And what I do is I select the normal wash. The normal. So there it's lighted up here. It's normal. So it's easy, guys. You just put here, you just start it, and it'll run probably like more than 1 hour. It's normal because it save energy if you do it that way. So you can hear it. You can hear the water in there. So once it's done cleaning or washing the dishes, it will, this thing over here where the clean, there's a light in there, it will light up when it's done washing. You can do an hour too with this thing. There's some program here. If you do only 1 hour wash on here, then you click the 1 hour wash. 1 hour wash. So you can hear it, guys. It's already washing it. So I only do it when I got a lot of dishes, but I like to hand wash my stuff too. So tomorrow I will put it away, dishes. So I will continue tomorrow. We'll see how the dishes clean. So you hear that, guys? It's cleaning the dishes. Please subscribe to Life and Style. Good morning. So I have to check the dishes and put them away. This is it, guys. clean. So I'm gonna put this away. Got up early today. Work. Step away. They're dried and clean. So I'm gonna put the rest of it away. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, Cheers Life and Style, and do not forget to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you.